In that dress. Oh! With dhoti. Oh! Mass!
Cheers to Cheng. So let's react to the next scene of Mirchi movie. Last scene നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതായത് തൂക്കി
ലിഫ്റ്റിംഗ് സീൻ ആയിരുന്നു. ലിഫ്റ്റിംഗ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതിന് മുന്നേ അവിടുത്തെ ഒരാളെ നല്ല പഞ്ഞിക്കിടുകയും ചെയ്തായിരുന്നു. ആ ഒരു കാറിന്റെ ചില്ലൊക്കെ പൊട്ടിക്കുന്ന സംഭവം.
സമ്പത്'s character is really shocked now. കാരണം എന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് അൺഎക്സ്പെക്ടഡ് ആയിട്ട് ലൈക്ക് ആ ഒരു സംഭവം സംഭവിച്ചു. And he doesn't know like who is the person behind all these things and he's thinking പക്ഷെ ഒരു ഹൈപ്പ് കിട്ടുകയാണ്. ഓക്കെ വേറൊരാളിൽ നിന്നിട്ട് is very dangerous.
ശരിക്കും നമ്മൾ പറയില്ലേ ഡിനോസർ എഫക്ട് ഒക്കെ സലാറിൽ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇതിന്റെ അകത്ത് ആ ഒരു സംഭവം എഫക്ട് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. കാറിന്റെ മുകളിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ കൈവെക്കുന്നില്ലേ, അപ്പൊ ചില്ലിങ്ങനെ ഒരു ക്രാക്ക് ആവുന്ന സാധനമില്ലേ,
that is very awesome. അതിനുശേഷമാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ he is planning something against പ്രഭാസ്. കാരണം എന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പ്രഭാസിന്റെ ഫാമിലിനെയാണ്, ഹൈദരാബാദിലുള്ള ഫാമിലിനെയാണ് ടാർഗറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ഓൾറെഡി ലാസ്റ്റ് സീനിൽ കാണിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു some person is coming to Hyderabad home, ഹൈദരാബാദിലുള്ള വീട്ടിലോട്ട് വരുന്നൊക്കെ കാണിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. എന്താ സംഭവം അറിയില്ല.
ആൻഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞ സീനിലത്തെ അനുഷ്ക പ്രഭാസിന്റെ കോമ്പിനേഷൻ സീൻസ് അത്യാവശ്യം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് നല്ലൊരു സോങ്, ഗംഭീര സോങ്.
their chemistry was really superb, amazing. കാണാനായിട്ട് ഭയങ്കര ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആയിരുന്നു ഓൺ സ്ക്രീനിൽ. സോ ദാറ്റ്സ് ഹൗ ഐ ഗോട്ട് ടു നോ ലൈക്ക് ഹൗ ഇസ് their chemistry. ലൈക്ക് ഐ ഹാവ് ഹേർഡ് എ ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് കുറെ ഫാൻസ് നിന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം ആണ് ആ ഒരു വിറ്റ്നസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ ബാഹുബലി നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. ബിക്കോസ് അതൊരു വേറെ ലെവൽ പടമായത് കൊണ്ടിട്ട് അതിനകത്ത് ഇങ്ങനത്തെ സാധനങ്ങളൊന്നും ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ലല്ലോ. അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും ലൈക്ക് ഇറ്റ്സ് റിയലി നൈസ്. അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും അടുത്ത സീൻ എന്താ നോക്കാം. ഓ
మా ఊరు అబ్బాయి ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడని తెలిసింది. సరే కలిసిపోదామని వచ్చాం.
బయటికి వెళ్ళారండి, కాసేపట్లో వస్తారు, కూర్చోండి.
చాలా మంది ఉన్నాం, బయట హోటల్లో టీ తాగి వస్తాం. ఈ బేగల వల్ల కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వాడు ప్రాణాలతో మిగిలితే చాలా ఘోరాలు జరుగుతాయి.
తీసుకుని మన ఊరు
because he is a flashback, no? That time he is not friend, right? Oh.
లోపలికి వెళ్దాం.
బాబు మీకోసం ఎవరో ఊరి నుంచి 10 మంది వచ్చారు. కూర్చోమంటే ఎదురు హోటల్లో టీ తాగి వస్తామని వెళ్ళారు.
But Purna, I think he has not seen him, because if seen means they will be not friend, no? Huh? Huh? But I think so. That's why I told no.
Oh.
Then how they will become friends?
That's what. He's not that fool, right?
He is telling that come go.
Because all these people are almost down.
These people not met actually.
Oh. That's why Prabhas targeted him.
మనిషి నమ్మడు, చిరుత పులంట. ఆ పులి తల నేను తీసుకొస్తాను. నా కొడుకులకి జీవిత కాలం పై ఉండేలా ఆ తలని పొలిమేరలో ఎలాడదీస్తాను.
హలో వెన్నెల అత్తయ్య, ఇంట్లో నాకు సంబంధం చూసారా? కానీ నాకు బావంటే ఇష్టం అత్తయ్య. బావం తప్ప ఇంకెవరిని ఊహించుకోలేను.
She wanted to marry. No, these people are selecting, no?
Now he has to come here. Yes, come. That mom is alone there.
Mom only sent actually to go because she got the call, no?
నేను ఇష్టపడి తనకు కావాల్సినట్టుగా మార్చుకుంటాను. అది అమెరికా సంబంధం. నువ్వు సంతోషంగా ఉంటావురా.
పెద్దంటి సంబంధం అమెరికా సంబంధం అయితే తను సంతోషంగా ఉండదు మామయ్య. తను ఎప్పుడు నవ్వుతూ ఉండేలా చూసుకునేవాడు ఉంటేనే తను సంతోషంగా ఉంటుంది. ఎక్కడో దూరంగా ఉన్న ప్రపంచానికి పంపిస్తే తను నవ్వుతూ బతికేది మామయ్య. తనలో ఉన్న అందమైన ప్రపంచాన్ని ప్రేమించేవాడు దొరికితేనే తన సంతోషంగా ఉంటుంది. మార్చుకోవడం లోపం కాదు మామయ్య, అద్భుతం. ఆ అద్భుతాన్ని ప్రతి క్షణం ఆనందిస్తూ ప్రేమించేవాడు దొరికితేనే తన సంతోషంగా ఉంటుంది.
మన పిల్ల కాబట్టి మనం ఆశపడ్డలో తప్పు లేదురా. కానీ ఈ రోజుల్లో అంత అర్థం చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడ దొరుకుతారు?
ఒక్క ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తావా? జీవితాంతో ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకుని చూసుకుంటాను.
నైస్ ప్రపోజల్. Satyaraj is like looks like his exact father.
Oh, that's sudden that song came. With studio song, no, like that.
It's all format. ERL ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് വരില്ല ഇപ്പോ.
That time Singham movies and all will be there.
That style almost.
Hey, నీటిలోని సాకొచ్చి నేల మీద పడ్డట్టు you think you feeling it?
Hey, తప్ప మీద కాలేసి
Like that type of song only. Oh, his dance.
He's flexible actually because that muscles were not that right at that time. Oh, step. Energetic song.
Almost like any movie, that's right.
Because in every movie you're supposed to be there, right?
And sudden song came, no?
She's coming to this village.
For marriage, maybe.
Bhavna Lakshmi.
He's very young. Meeting after 20 years.
ఎలా ఉన్నావు దేవా? నువ్వేంటో తెలిసి కూడా నిన్ను నీ మంచి మనసుని ఎవరూ మార్చలేరని నమ్మకుండా నీ నుంచి దూరంగా వెళ్ళిపోయి ఏ భార్య తన భర్తకి వేయిన శిక్షని నీకు వేశాను. నీ నుంచి దూరంగా వెళ్ళిపోయినా నిన్నే తలుచుకుంటూ వాణ్ణి నీలాగే పెంచాను. నిలువెత్తు ప్రేమలా చేశాను. నా ప్రాణం ఉన్నంత వరకు నిన్ను నీ ఊరిని వదిలి వెళ్ళను దేవా.
Oh, it's a happy moment.
నోటి నుంచి మాట రాకపోయినా పగల ప్రాణాలు కోరుకుంటున్నావని
That time also is there, like that.
నిన్ను ఇలా చేసిన వాళ్ళని తెగనరికి ఆ రక్తం
Might be
కాళ్ళు
something
తడుపుతా.
would have happened to him by.
But that also, he is not happy or something. I'm feeling like that. There is no expression, no?
Yeah, that's why he changed right now, right? When Prabhas came to the house. Oh, that lady.
Music change also, no?
మీతో ఒక విషయం చెప్పండి దేవ గారు. ఇన్నాళ్ళ నుండి మీరు ఆపడానికి చూసిన గొడవలు పగలు మళ్ళీ మొదలయ్యాయి సార్. కారణం మీ అబ్బాయి సార్.
He's not knowing, no.
He's seeing that everything got over. Now it's.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుందో అని భయమేస్తుంది సార్. మీరు కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ఉంటే మంచిది. ఉంటాను సార్.
He's actually thinking it's all fine. He doesn't know, right? His intention.
Already is there. Oh, already.
అందరూ ఒకే చోట దొరికారు. ఒక్కడు కూడా మిగలకుండా లేపేస్తాను.
వాడుండగా ఎవ్వడి మీద కత్తి పడనివ్వడు. మొదటి వెట్టు వాడు మీదే పడిపోవాలా?
In that dress. Kalyan dress le. Oh!
Direct. Oh, she's shocked.
She's shocked. She don't want to see the fight only, no, that time. That's why she left, right?
Oh!
With Dhoti. Oh!
Yes!
It's like an emotional fight, no?
Kind
Both
of.
father and mother emotions are there.
Because father didn't do anything like that.
Oh! I think Anushka also seeing for the first time. 3 people are seeing for the first time. Ah, this uncle. Huh? They're actually protecting everyone, but oh, gone. His hand gone. That's a sudden fight, actually.
My God, who is that?
She is completely shocked, actually.
Oh my God, after the song, what is happening?
Ah, that's why that song came, actually. Ah, he's also coming with. Ah, he was coming with banana, no?
He will come with banana.
Ah. Why will he?
It's full that. It's direct. That's why it is A certified.
Not only, you ate it.
No, it is A certified.
A certified. Who told?
Who has to tell? It is already written.
Ah. But colorful, actually, compared to nowadays movie. No?
Oh. She is full shock.
Oh.
Different. Actually, it is not.
And that location. Marriage
I'm
function.
feeling that I was there in that fight. Because she hated most. Oh!
She already got. When? She already got.
I don't know. I didn't see the fights.
No, but in between I have not seen that. Ah, but not because of the shock. Because I think that she got some injury.
Yeah. Sorry.
There's so many people were there, no?
Ah, somebody would have hit me. Oh,
Is this because of this? He stopped actually everything.
might be. He wants to stop all these things.
Because its mom died, no?
She doesn't wanted all those things. Now marriage will not be happening, no? Now father would stop.
అమ్మ చావు కారణమైన ఏ ఒక్కడు ప్రాణాలతో ఉండకూడదు. ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు మీ ఆశయం సిద్ధాంతం పక్కన పెట్టి లోపలికి వెళ్ళండి. 20 ఏళ్లుగా పరిష్కారం దొరకని సమస్యని 2 నిమిషాల్లో ముగించుకొచ్చేస్తా. 2 నిమిషాలు అంటున్నాడు. మీరు లోపలికి వెళ్ళండి.
20 ఏళ్ల క్రితం ఇలాగే ఆపి తప్పు చేశారయ్యా. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఆ తప్పు చేయొద్దయ్యా. బాబు చెప్పినట్టు లోపలికి వెళ్ళండి అయ్యా. ఈ ఇంట్లో అమ్మ కట్టె ఆరే లోపు ఆ ఇంట్లో 10 కట్టెలు కాలాలా?
ఏ పాపం చేస్తే పుట్టవరా నువ్వు నాకు?
మిమ్మల్ని కూడా కాదనుకుని ఇన్నేళ్లుగా ఈ ఊరి కోసం వీళ్ళ కోసమే బతుకుతూ వీళ్ళని మళ్ళీ మనుషులు ఇచ్చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా. కానీ నీ నీడ తాకాలి, మళ్ళీ పశువులు అవ్వాలి. నిలువెత్తు
ప్రేమలా మలిచానని చెప్పింది రప్పించింది. దాన్ని మోసం చేశావు కదా. ఏ భయంతో ఈ ఊరి నుంచి అది వెళ్ళిపోయిందో ఆ భయాన్ని నిజం చేసి ఈ లోకం నుంచి పంపించేశావు కదా. నీ వల్ల ఈ ఊరు మళ్ళీ ఇలా మారుతుందని తెలిస్తే నేను ఇక్కడికి రానిచ్చేవాడి కాదు. నీ వల్ల దాని ప్రాణమైపోతుందని తెలిస్తే నేను ఈ భూమి మీదకి రానిచ్చేవాడి కదా.
Hurt completely, no?
Yeah, definitely.
దాని బదులు నీ ప్రాణం పోయింటే బాగుండేది కదా.
What is this emotion? It's this emotion.
ఇక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్ళిపో. నేను చచ్చిన తర్వాత కూడా ఇక్కడికి రావద్దు.
He's leaving.
అయ్యా అయ్యా అయ్యా
వద్దురా, ఈ పసి మనసుకి ఆకాశాలు ఉండొద్దు. అమ్మని చెప్పుకున్నాడు. రేపు నేను కూడా వద్దమ్మా, చుట్టంగా వచ్చిన వాడిని చుట్టంగానే పోనివ్వు.
Oh, what his emotion.
Earlier he had mother, but right now nobody has.
But people are loving him.
Yeah, because they are loving him because he's doing all this kind of stuff.
And with these people also, he is very good. Good-hearted with the other people. Like their people. See, their people are also coming with him.
But it's always happening, no? Here and there, every time you would be that side, Tree would be here. That would be continuing. Oh, the whole village is crying.
Oh, flashback end.
You're stopping.
I'll stop here. So next only little bit is there.
Okay.
That will be a climax, I think.
Fine.
I think so.
Yeah,
because only little bit is
I was
there.
not able to to digest that you're stopping in this place.
Because it's a flashback end, right?
Yeah,
It's
okay,
over.
Fine. But it was like full that violence.
It's like an emotional fight, we can call it, because he is fighting, but that side, both side, like father and mother.
But it was actually like, more of because in usually movies they won't show much the that cutting kind of thing, but it was very raw here,
and that also colorful.
Yeah.
Like ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ മൂവീസ് ലൊക്കെ എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ കുറച്ചും കൂടി ഒരു സലാറിലൊക്കെ കാണുമ്പോൾ ഒരു ഡാർക്ക്
even more like ആ ഒരു ഇത് വെച്ച് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ compared to see that's how the name is Mirchi.
It's
the name is Mirchi. അതുകൊണ്ട് they want to show that Mirchi color also, but in Salar it was like, even though there were actually like even scenes were there, പക്ഷേ like it was little color shading different ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ we were not feeling, but here it was very raw. Compared to that, this is very raw.
There they will not focus no more. Here it is focus shots, like nearby shots.
So much.
Or a close-up shots.
Close-up shots in the other. That's how it is like got the A certification, I feel, because ee sambhavangalokke usually nu parayunnathu it would be there in movies, പക്ഷേ it will be very long shot lo അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ആയിരിക്കും കാണിക്കുന്നത്. Only voice effect would be there. പക്ഷേ ഇതിനകത്ത് നല്ല visual effect തന്നെ നമുക്ക് തരുന്നുണ്ട് എന്നുള്ളതാണ്.
But whatever it is, no whole നോക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് it's a family entertainer.
Yeah.
Family entertainer with the fight scene.
Yeah, and the director is telling to don't do all this kind of things actually by showing all this kind of violent scenes, because like he's showing the reality and telling that don't do all this kind of things actually, because if you do so much loss would be there in life, because Satyaj's character because we are not feeling any kind of angry on him, because he left his wife and son for 20 years for protecting the village. പക്ഷെ അതത്ര ചെയ്തിട്ടും വലിയ ഉപകാരം ഉണ്ടായില്ല. After 20 years actually it is remaining the same almost like everything actually. പക്ഷെ again he is telling don't do all this kind of thing, because again problems, so many loss would be happening. അപ്പൊ അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് സംഭവം.
അതുതന്നെ ആയിരിക്കണം പ്രഭാസ് ഇതൊക്കെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് ഇപ്പം അവിടെ പോയിട്ട് എല്ലാരെയും ഗുഡ് അല്ലെ ആ ഒരു സ്പ്രെഡ്നെസ് ഗുഡ് അല്ല കൂടുതൽ
that is the only option left. because എന്താ പറയാ, if they call Sampath and team for talking and എന്താ പറയാ നല്ല ടേംസിൽ നിൽക്കാനായിട്ട് they won't be ready at all. So ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒരു മാർഗം Prabhas found so that he can change everyone, all would be in harmony. So because their family people also facing problem because of this. അതാണ് രണ്ടുപേരുടെയും ഫാമിലിക്ക് പ്രശ്നങ്ങളുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ അതിനൊരു ഫുൾ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ഇടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് മെയിൻ ആയിട്ട് he has come. So now the thing is like what is the climax scene? അതാണ് I am waiting for, അല്ലേ?
യെസ്. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം നെക്സ്റ്റ് സീൻ എന്താ വരാൻ പോകുന്നുള്ളേ.
സീനിലേക്ക് കാണാത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ.